If you want to code fast, code alone. If you want to release fast, pair. Hi friends, it's Chris the Coding Guy. Let's talk a little bit about fast and slow software release and what kinds of things matter in a professional environment. So the common wisdom is that coding alone will lead to faster development and faster release. But there's a big pitfall, which is that you have a code review in there. And the code review is slow, so slow, glacially slow. You can do something that would take a day, and then you create a PR, you push the PR, you request a code review, and then in the next day or two, when someone has time, they'll review it. Then you'll get back some feedback, you'll answer some questions, you'll maybe make some updates, you'll push to your PR, you'll request a follow-up code review, and then your day's out, right? You've spent several days, maybe even a week, trying to actually release this thing that took you a day to develop. So, I have a controversial take, which is pair programming is actually faster from the first line of code all the way to release. And here's why. Pair programming means that you have two sets of eyes all the way through. This shortcuts the whole code review process. Since it's all baked in, you can actually review in real time. The two of you working together will actually identify opportunities for improvement, any places where you might have quality issues. All of those kinds of things are baked in, which means that you will end up with a higher quality result faster. So, what about PRs? Well, what about them? If you're using PRs to do things like kick off an end-to-end build or end-to-end test with a full service build and that kind of thing, fine, use them. Great. They give you a way to automate the process. But don't use them to turn around and do another round of code reviews. You've already reviewed it. The pairing took care of the review. So don't do it again. Cut out that step. Now, all of a sudden, you can take something that took a day to build, even with a pair, and you can actually have it released the same day or the very next day. Way faster than anything you could have done in that week-long wait for the code review. So, the upshot is, coding alone feels faster, but pairing is faster when it comes to high-quality releases. So give it a try. Until next time, keep coding.